Features of Excel 2016. Excel has several features. Some of them are given below. Excel has built-in formulas and functions to do calculations. The data can be formatted in many ways to change the look of the spreadsheet. When we make a change at one place in a worksheet, the entire spreadsheet is automatically recalculated. It is very easy to search and replace figures in a spreadsheet with just one command. If some data is in series, it can be quickly filled in the row or column using autofill feature. You can easily format the data in charts and graphs with a click of a mouse. Excel 2016. Excel is also known as electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet can be defined as text and numbers that have been organized in rows and columns. Let us now read about the features of Excel 2016.